and welcome to Twine. Twine is a new class of product, a collaborative care platform designed to facilitate high-performance, team-based care built on a foundation of health coaching and patient empowerment. Our radical approach involves the patient in all team activities and synchronizes the action plans, notes, communications, and outcomes of every team member in real time. With Twine, continuous and coordinated care becomes the new norm, and office visits the exception. Action plans live at the core of the Twine platform, as they provide the scaffolding for efficient and effective collaboration. Tony and his coach Laura co-produce an extremely personal plan based on his health challenges and personal motivations. They set goals that are achievable in a short period of time to demonstrate progress and build confidence. And they make sure that Tony knows exactly how each health action fits into his daily life. Each health action is automatically synchronized to Tony's app, which reminds him when they are due, helps him to track adherence, and supports him in better understanding his health. Twine supports a wide array of health actions, from measurements to medications to lifestyle changes, such that action plans can be created for any condition. In Tony's case, he and Laura add his medication and focus on micro changes in his diet and exercise in order to round out his hypertension action plan. Tony can self-report adherence and data for all of his health actions, and his data flows back to Laura in real time. Twine also supports connected devices such as wireless blood pressure cuffs, pedometers, weight scales, etc. Twine's streamlined communication tools benefit from the context of the action plans and the teachable moments that they illuminate. As Tony works to succeed on his plan on a daily basis, Laura is there to support him and to celebrate his accomplishments. Tony is encouraged and his relationship and trust with Laura grow. The efficiency with which he and Laura can solve problems allows him to focus on more important things in his life rather than making trips to the office. But Twine is not designed just for patient and coach collaboration. It is designed for high-performance team-based care. Laura and Tony can easily bring Tony's PCP into the conversation. If there is the need for much deeper conversation, or when there is a very emotional moment where Laura needs to be there for Tony, she can also call him via secure video right in Twine. When we flash forward in time, the power of action plans becomes even more apparent. Laura can see a visual history of all of Tony's hypertension care, including every blood pressure measurement, every dose of medication, all of his progress with diet and exercise improvement, and every medication that he has taken in the past. Of course, Tony has access to all of this data as well, which supports him in learning the associations between his actions and outcomes, and helps him to build self-management skills. Note-taking in Twine is turned on its head. With the extremely rich context that action plans provide, notes can become quite short and can focus on the reasoning behind plan changes. They are presented along a timeline so that the story of Tony's care can be easily reviewed. All notes are synchronized to Tony's app as soon as they are written, and Tony can write notes along the timeline to provide his perspective and commentary. To round out their collaboration, Laura and Tony can schedule interactions. And Tony's app allows him to electronically RSVP. It also automatically reminds him of his appointments and other important events. All along the path to success, Twine tracks every bit of Laura's time, as well as that of the other team members on a per-patient basis, so that it can be leveraged in analytics to help optimize the benefit-to-cost ratio. Action planning and fluid care team communication are instrumental in building relations between the coach and each patient. But the coach needs to provide the right care to the right patient at the right time in order to succeed. This is where the Twine dashboard becomes indispensable. Laura's dashboard automatically tracks trends in both adherence to action plans and outcome measurements for all patients in real time. It allows Laura to quickly see which patients are struggling with their plans so that she can reach out to close gaps in care. For example, Joy is a diabetic with overall good adherence to her action plan, but who is currently not active. Laura can quickly see that Joy was doing a spectacular job at measuring her blood sugar and taking her medication, but in the past week, she has had a sudden drop in adherence. Laura can quickly communicate with Joy to learn what challenges she is facing in her life and can lend support. Laura's dashboard also allows her to quickly see any patients who are experiencing negative trends in their outcomes. For example, Arnie has perfect adherence to his plan, but his blood glucose is 306, which Twine flags as being abnormally high for him. Laura can see that his blood sugar hasn't been controlled for some time, but it was much closer to goal. Today, however, it has spiked up significantly, even though he has been taking his medication reliably. Laura can get him connected with his PCP promptly to address the underlying issue, which might be an infection or other inflammatory response. Although the dashboard allows Laura to easily focus on patients with challenges, it also allows her to revel in the successes. She can easily see how big of an impact she is having on the population as she strives to help all of her patients reach their goals. For her organization, Twine's sophisticated real-time analytics are invaluable in improving population health and coordinating services. The Twine Collaborative Care Platform is an end-to-end solution for delivering high-performance, team-based care built on a foundation of continuous health coaching and patient empowerment. Thanks for watching.